Check this out. I was on using the internet and I went on to Taobao, which is a internet shopping site in China, and I put in the iPhone XS to get a battery because I'm going to be fixing a phone that it's losing its charge. And when I looked at the price, it was 102. It said it was a little bit discounted from 104. But then I thought, hey, what would happen if I actually look at the same product but use my phone? Because most of the things are shopped on the internet these days. So I took out my phone and I put in the same requirements, and then I select the iPhone XS. See, it's 102.96, but then on the right it said it had a huge discount. Now the price is 68, which is about half. So I put that in, and I should get the package in a day or so. And here it comes. So for only 68 yuan, which is about just a little over $10 Canadian, you get the same package of screwdrivers and tweezers, and here's the battery. So we open it up, and you can see that it is indeed the iPhone XS battery, and I'll be popping that in. And there we go. So sometimes using the internet browsers is more expensive. Now, where do all these things come from? It actually comes from Taobao, or it's the same, similar to AliExpress. So I actually have access to the original parts in China. And if I was back home, and this would have cost me $37. But since I'm now in China, it only costs around $10. So you're paying the extra dollar for the service to ship it to your country. So I'll put it in, and I'll see you in the next video.